Hey guys, this is Johnny Dotson once again over here. I got another box that I want to share with all those diecast collectors out there. So I just got this today from Texas. You know, we'll see what she sent. Thanks to Vaughn. She always, I try to get some cards from her that she's trying to sell. So let me just crack this box open without doing any damaging. Look at the new goodies there she sent. I told her don't use too much bubble wrap so she could fit a lot of cards in the box. So you know, most of the time she always uses a lot of bubble wrap to take care of them, but I was just trying to get more cards into the box. So here you go. Like always, she always sends a postcard. Put the fine paper inside. Just bring this up a little bit. Just try to bring this up a little bit more. Okay, wait a second. Sorry about that. Just trying to get this adjusted. There you go. Let's start with the first one. Like always, I try to get from her mostly Johnny Lightning cards. This time she sent me a Funny Card Legend. Really cool one. Love the detail on that. Okay, this is one. Throw that paper down here. Let's get the other one out. She got this one for me. Cardboard is really nice. Besides, the box has a dent on the side, but you know, it's not going to be her for. It's going to be the post office for. Sometimes they mistreat the boxes. So, all right, let's see this one right here. Another Top View. Love the colors in there. Very detailed, nice cardboard. There you go. Got this one. And the plastic a little yellow, but it's fine. That gives it that old school look. So there you go. Cardboard is nice also. Top Views. See what we got here. Okay, we got here, wow, Jim Murphy. This is nice too. Very nice. Very happy with all the cards I've been getting from her. So, very nice. And we got this guy over here. What's the name? Very nice. Okay, we got this baby right here. Vicious Vet. Okay, and try to zoom it up nice. Johnny Lightning. There you go. This is another nice one. I have pretty much a lot of these toppers. Okay. Beautiful. Another top view. Kind of cool. Cardboard is nice. Very nice. And see what we got right here. Okay, another showstopper. There you go. Nice card. Like that smoke there. Try to zoom it so you guys could appreciate the detail on these cards. And I'm not using a very expensive camera either. I'm using one of those cheap cameras. I have the GoPro 9, but I like this one. I'm getting used to using this one, so there you go. Very nice. See what they got in the back. Okay, just basically nothing. Another showstopper. Great cardboard. Now, there you go. We got a Johnny Lightning exclusive. See my roaster. Very nice. This is an exclusive car, so this one you don't get it at the stores. You gotta go probably to one of those convention show car events, or yeah, here you go, SEMA show. Really cool. Try to zoom it up a little bit. Yeah. Very nice. Here goes the back. Cool. Alright, let's check this one out. Uh-oh, nice. Rebel rods. Okay. This is a really nice one also. For me, they're all nice. Johnny Lightning. There you go. Back. Nice truck. I don't think I saw this one in the picture, so this one's probably a surprise car for me from her, because I haven't seen this one. I didn't see pictures when she sent me pictures of what I was supposed to get, but like always, she's always sent some nice cars. There you go, this one. This is a Chevy Nova. Yellow. Beautiful. Hot rodding. Back. Steel base, rubber tires. Very cool. Alright, let's go with the next one now. Okay, here we go. This one, the cardboard, a little yellowish, but it's fine. It's age. But I'm going to get this one from her. Open. We're already making plans and buying some loose cards from her that she had on a display. And this is going to be one of them that I'm going to get in that next round. So this one I'll keep it in the card. And being that she's going to send me a few open ones. Very nice. Steel base. Front. Go to fork to lift them up. I don't know if she's going to send me these forks, but I'll be happy with the car anyway, so if it's in a mint condition. Alright, let's go with the next one. Okay, we got another showstopper here. There's a few of them they produce on these. Let's see if I can zoom it up. That's Frank, yep. Very nice. Nice cardboard. Steel base. Color is beautiful. The cardboard is really nice. Great. Let's go to the next one now. This one I like. The Tiger. So it's a showstopper. Really cool. Nice. So quiet in here. I hope my dog doesn't start barking now. Anyway, we got a Chevy Nova from Classic Gold. Very nice. Rear riders, steel base. The good old times. There you go. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, we got, what is it? Yeah, Jaguar. Okay. Cardboard a little jealous, a little bit. I could live with that. I have a few of them that I bought brand new back in the days, and they turn yellow. You know, some they turn yellow, so, but the cars are always in mint condition. There you go. Zoom this baby up. Yeah. Beautiful. It's a clean cardboard too. Very nice. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, we got a Vet here. Also a little yellow cardboard. Still nice. Like I said, I don't mind the yellow cardboards. It's gonna happen anyway, so either he probably had it near a window, or, you know, too much light or sun. Basically, I think it was more like if they get kind of sunlight, a lot of sunlight, they turn a little yellow. Sometimes. Could be. This is really cool. Steel base. Very nice. Alright. Let's go to the next one now. Alright. Here we go. We got a Crown Victoria right here. Rear riders. Very nice. Great. Let's go with the next. Angel GTX. And thinking that they're making these characters new model cars same, you know, and it's ridiculous the prices they want for them. I was scanning some of them at Target, and they're so expensive today. It's like paying $9 for a car. Wow. It's amazing. Okay, let's go to the next one. We got a White Lightning here. Right there, the button. White Lightning. This is supposed to be like one chase car. Yeah, it's nice, but the ones coming out, regular cars, muscle cars and stuff like that, those are the ones it worth a good amount. Still nice to have. One of the early ones. There you go. Let's go to the next one. Another Vet. Another Vet. Try to zoom it up a little bit. There you go. Try to get it in right there. Very nice. Let's go to the next one. Another little red wagon. A different one. Here you go. And Very nice. Go to the next one. Another red wagon. Different tone. This one's like red. That one is, this is like a little burgundy. Looks like more wine color, and this is red. Okay. This one in the front tires doesn't say Goodyear. This one does have it. Showstoppers. Alright. Alright. Go with the next one now. This is kind of cool. LA Dart. By the way, we have one of these real cars. And try to see, zoom it up right there, and boom, right there. That's the front of my son's Demon, Dodge Demon. Here you go. That's a good zoom. Beautiful. Alright, steel base. Alright, let's try some other ones. Let me see what else we got here. Okay, we got a Mustang. 1 of 17,000. Cobra. Very nice. Cool. Let's go to this next one over here, and okay, we got a super stock 69 GTO. That's the one right there, and the car right here. Red lines also. Check out those tires. I think it would have looked cool if it would have had like a big fat tire in the back. But it has a lot of space between the tire and the body. Unless it's they put the wrong tires on the wrong body. Who knows? I gotta look into that. Could be. Most of these cars, they come pretty tight. Look at all the space this car's got with the tire and the body. Still cool. Love it. Nice. Got the GTO on the front. Nice. Okay, what do we got here? Super 70s. Man, Super 70 makes some really nice cars too. Yep. This one came from Hobby Lobby, I guess. You know. There you go. All white. I gotta look into this one too. It's not a white lining. It does have white interior and the white body, but I gotta look into it a little bit. See which one is this one. Okay. Nice. Grand Prix. Zoom it up a little bit. Nice. Alright, let me see what else we got here. Nice. Okay, we got a special edition. Boogaboo. There you go. Like a Volkswagen type. Oops, what happened with that front tire there? Looks like something is melting there. I believe. Okay, I'm looking right now. Could be a factory issue here. It probably put some kind of a glue inside. It's melting out. Maybe to hold the tire, they just probably put something and press the tire right in. Wow, that's crazy. It's a nice car too. Nice cardboard. I gotta live with that then. That's no problem. Alright, let's try this guy. Another tiger. Yeah, I believe she sent me a few extra ones on the tigers. I think she had 3 or 4. Let me see, I'm trying to see what I got over here. Oh yeah, yep, this is my second one. I got 2 of these. That's good. Okay. I'll have one to display, and the other one, if I don't have it open, I would crack it and just add it up in the open collection. Beautiful. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, we got another one now. That's 3. Cool. Still nice. Okay, 3, and we got 4. There you go. My dog is about to bark. I can feel it. All empty. This is all we got today. Thanks, Vaughn. Very happy. There's no damage to any of the cards. And the box did have a dent right here. Really bad dent. But everything worked out great, man. Very excited, very happy. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe, and peace.